Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to align the table border in a Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, align the table border is going to the layout option and click with the cell margin option. In cell margin table option is top and bottom option, and left and right 0.8 and click for the OK option. That's okay. Then again cell margin option and top and bottom. Now for OK. That's okay. Then I show the align the table border in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.